Hey there guys, David Salazar here, and I want to talk to you about something that I actually had a beer with a friend of mine about a week ago, and we were talking about this, and I asked him, hey man, what was the best ride that you ever had? And he told me best and or most dangerous, and he said because they kind of go hand in hand. Well, that got me to thinking. I didn't realize this, but a lot of those rides actually exist. Ironically, some of the most beautiful rides also happen to be some of the most dangerous rides. So I started looking online and I found something that Viking Bags put out, calling it the 5 most dangerous and beautiful rides for bikers. So if any of you guys have ridden any of these, let me know, but this is a first for me. I've never seen any of these. I have done Twisted Sisters once, but I did not do the full 220 miles. So that being said, let me start with you by the top 5. The first one is the Tunnel of Trees in Harbor Springs, Michigan. From what I'm reading here, it's only 25 miles long, but it's an amazing ride where it can kind of mix up the perceptions of how you're looking down the road because there's so many trees and it's such a narrow tunnel. So let me know if any of you guys have had this ride before. The other one that I have here is Beartooth Highway in Montana. I've never been to Montana before. I hear it's beautiful. I have no idea what it's like over there, but I'd love to hear if you guys have ever been on it before. The third one on the list seems to be the most popular, and it's Twisted Sisters in Texas. And me being here in Houston, I actually was born in Central Texas, so I'm very familiar with this area. I'm gonna read you what they wrote on here. It says, as a former Texan, I rode the Twisted Sisters many times and I always enjoyed the ride. The Sisters are 3 Texas hill country roads. Kerrville is a good starting point. If you wanna cover all 3 routes, it adds up to 220 miles. Each road is loosely interconnected, and there's one stretch where the hills you traverse is an incredible 60 miles long. So think about that, ladies and gentlemen. That sounds like a great ride. If any of you have ever done it before, please let me know. I kind of want to hear your experiences about it. The final 2 are Skyline Drive in Virginia, and the last one, I'm sorry, I have 2 more left. The last one is going to be a place called Tail of the Dragon in North Carolina, but they also do know it the PCH, which is a Pacific Coast Highway in California. This is world renowned for everyone, motorcyclists and drivers alike. It's a beautiful drive. I'm sure it's a beautiful ride. I've never done it before, but I hear it's amazing. That being said, the one that I want to address is the Tail of the Dragon. Evidently, this one is notorious. I'd never heard of it before. I'm sure some of you guys it looks like we have almost 400 people in this group. I'm sure some of you guys have done it before. Please tell me your experiences about it. Share it with the group. If you can, it would be even better if you created a small video and shared it with the group. Even if you have pictures, that'd be amazing. Video would be much better. But hey guys, please let me know what you think about this list. If you have other places to add on to this, let me know, especially if they're dangerous and beautiful. So my name is David Salazar. I love discussing these things with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions and I'd love to help out. Thanks.